Alright guys, welcome to Tech&More. Kindly subscribe if this is your first time. So quickly in this video, we are going to look at how to turn on the dark theme in YouTube on a desktop computer. That is when you are logged on to youtube.com, the main website, not the app. So let's quickly delve into it. So this is YouTube. I hope you see the interface. So you see where the mouse is, where the cursor is. Yes, this icon, the circle avatar, that is where you have your profile picture. So when you click on it, you have information about your channel. So let's gently click on it. So we've clicked on it and the interface is telling us that the channel name is MC Kobe Afrique. We have a whole lot of information here, but this is what we want. Appearance. Hope you can see the cursor. Yes, it's on appearance, and currently appearance is set to light, so we change it. This is where we change it to what we want, in this case the dark mode or dark theme. So quickly let's just click it. Appearance. Yes, we click it, and then there are three options right here: use device theme, dark theme, and then the light theme. So now it is like we saw before. You see that light theme is selected. Now I can choose to select any of the first two, that is the use device theme and the dark theme. Any of these. I'm saying any of these because my device theme is already set to the dark theme. So once I click this, I'll have the dark theme reflect. But then I can also go directly to select the dark theme and we'll be alright. We'll be getting what exactly we are looking for. So without wasting much time, let's click on this, the dark theme, and see what happens to our UI, that is our interface. So dark theme is selected and then it is loading. So let's wait for some seconds and see what happens. Yay! This is our dark theme. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe to this channel, share with others, like this video, and don't forget to ask any questions that is bothering your mind in the comment section. I'll be glad to assist you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.